Hi, my name is Lisa Chase. I'm a Corvius resident. I've been here, it'll be 13 years in June. I absolutely love living here. I feel very safe because it's a gated community. I came down as a single parent, was able to raise my child down here with the help of the youth center and just, like I said, feeling very safe and secure. My housing area is wonderful. I'm in Patriot Village. I was lucky enough to get an end unit, and it has worked very well for me with the back gate and fence. I'm over here at Corvius frequently to visit the ladies and maintenance workers in the office. Come over here to, for personal reasons, but also to laugh and joke with them because I adore them. Never had a problem with maintenance, put in a request, and within their business 10 days or sooner, things are answered, fixed, repaired. Have a pool here, a gym here. I've used the workout room several times. The community room I use at least once a month with a group of ladies. And there's not too much more I can say. It's just that it's a great experience. Living and working together so close to each other. I got a 2-mile drive to work, I got a 2-mile drive back home, and I couldn't have been blessed with such a better place to live.